What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Jarvis Mark X model because too many people ask me how can I fix this error and some stuff like that. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix everything and run this Jarvis Mark X model on your computer. Too many people were struggling with this .env file because whenever I upload this .env file, GitHub doesn't allow me to upload this .env file. So I told everyone that you have to create this .env file manually, but like I said, too many people didn't get this. So I'm gonna delete this .env file so you can just run this program more easily. Let me show you how you're gonna do this. First, we are removed this LLM text-to-speech because it's, like I said, not free. So we're gonna use HTTPS to run our program because whenever we run the program, we're gonna need API key from the LLM and it's not free. So if we use this HTTPS, it's gonna be more useful for our program. If you don't like this voice, you can just change this voice like this, like I showed you in the last video. Just you can just do this and easily take some voices. Chris Bryan, like just paste this voice in here. So we are using OpenRouter again because this is a free large language model, so it's really good to use. So I made some requirements here. If you have some problems with these libraries, if you installed Python just new, just go to this command prompt and paste this in this section, and as you can see, you're gonna install every libraries in this code section. When you do all of this, when you get your SERP API key from this link, when you get your large language model API key from this link as well, all you have to do is just go to main.py and hit the F5 button, just run the program. As you can see, it's gonna ask you OpenRouter API key and SERP API key. Like I said, all you have to do is just go to this section and take your OpenRouter API key and then go to our program, just copy this OpenRouter API key and then go to SERP API key again and copy this API key as well to get some news on your country or on the world. So just paste this as well and click this and talk. Hey Jarvis, what's up?
Hey, just here, ready to help. What's on your mind?
By the way, if you didn't like the voice, you can just change the voice from here because I didn't like the voice either. We can just maybe, I don't know, do this. Maybe Andrew got better voice. Hey Jarvis, what's up?
Hey, just here, ready to help. What's on your mind?
I think this voice is better. Hey Jarvis, can you open WhatsApp please?
Hey, James. I'm up and ready to help. What's up with you?
But still, we got some problems about speech to text, so sometimes it doesn't understand our commands, so you have to be clear and just tell what you want to do. Hey Jarvis, can you open WhatsApp?
Sure thing, James. Opening WhatsApp for you now.
Like this, if you give some clear commands, it's just gonna do. Don't worry about speech to text. Hey Jarvis, what's up? How are you doing?
Hey, Fatih. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. Can you just give me the weather report for New York on Sunday?
Showing the weather for New York, Sunday, sir.
By the way, can you open File Explorer?
Opening File Explorer for you now, Fatih.
So all I got to say about this README file and requirement file, in this README file, you have to read everything to run this program better and secure. And also in this requirement text file, you have to install, like I said, you have to install all these libraries just in the command prompt, just like that. And as you can see, this is too easy to accomplish. Don't worry about that. And also you have to take these API keys OpenRouter and SERP API. To get some news on your country or on the world, it's up to you. And also to contact with the large language model, you have to take this OpenRouter API key. So there's another thing that I also want to mention. This is about this prompt. If your program working so slow, all you have to do just change this prompt according to your needs. I don't know, you can change this name in here, you can make this Alexa, or you can make this name your own name. I don't know, it's all up to you. I hope you're not gonna have some problems I showed you in the two video. I mean, you're just installing this codes and installing some libraries in this file and getting some API keys, and that's it, man. Just do this. Is not rocket science. You can do this. But still, if you have some problems, then you can just tell me in the comment section, and I would like to help you as much as I can. If you have some recommendation for the next videos, if you have some ideas about Jarvis to improve this model or anything else, you just, like I said, tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next videos.